Hey guys, in this tutorial we will check whether our device is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. We will also check if our network is connected to internet or not, and we will generate a toast message at the end. So let's get started. First of all, we will go to manifest folder and here we will add some permission like usage permission for network state and second one for internet and the third one for Wi-Fi. Okay, after that we will go to our main activity and here we will create a function named connection, check connection. Okay, whenever we use connectivity services we use connectivity manager. So for this, creating application context dot get system service context dot connectivity service as connectivity manager. We will call a method active network info method. Okay, now we will check our network info state is null or not. I'm taking if condition null is not is equals to network info. Now here I will check that my network type is equals to this condition checks that if my device is connected to Wi-Fi, and I will generate a toast message over here. Okay, in next condition I will check that my network is connected to mobile data. For this I will use connectivity manager dot type mobile. Okay, and here I will generate a toast message again. Okay, now we will add here else condition. It shows that our device is not connected to internet. Okay, so for this I will create a dialog box. Dialog is equals to and add context this. Okay, now for this dialog box I will create a layout. Wrap content. I will create vector asset. So we have created our layout. Dialog dot set content view r dot layout dot alert dialog. Okay, after this I will set the height of dialog box, height and width of dialog box. For this I will call dialog dot window dot set layout. Here I will call window manager. Dot layout params dot wrap content, and for height I will call windows manager dot layout params dot wrap content. Okay, after this I will set the background of this layout as transparent. So for this I will call dialog dot window dot set background color drawable color dot transparent. Okay, after this I will call the button and add set on clickness there. And call recreate method. It means first if we click on try again button, it will check our network connectivity and recreate the dialog box if it is not connected to internet. Okay, and after this we will show the dialog box. Okay, So this is it. Now let's run our application. Here is a mistake. Let's change it to mobile data. As we can see the toast message because our device is connected to internet. Let me turn off the Wi-Fi. I have turned off the Wi-Fi. Now let's run our application again. As you can see, I have turned off the Wi-Fi, so I will get this alert box. So this is it.